What's the best Scrum Master certification you can do right now? It doesn't matter if you're already a Scrum Master or want to get hired as a Scrum Master. Your context, your environment, it doesn't matter. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what kind of certification you need, if you need it. I could have done a 1-minute video, a short, telling you what's the best Scrum Master certification because there's the best. But it doesn't mean that it's the best for your context. So it's really important that you understand first that there's 3 big companies, Scrum.org, who offer PSM1, Professional Scrum Master, Scrum Alliance, CSM, Certified Scrum Master, and then there's PMI, where you can get the PMI-ACP, but I don't even want to talk about this. Because Scrum.org and Scrum Alliance, if you want to be an Agile coach or Scrum Master hiring managers, they are looking for certifications from these 2 companies. Project Management, PMI. But Agility, Scrum, Scrum.org, Scrum Alliance. Now, the first thing you need to ask yourself is why do you want to be certified? Do you want to get hired as a Scrum Master? Do you think that getting a certification will get you that raise or promotion? Answer this question first and ensure that there's no incorrect assumptions that you're taking. Are you sure you're going to get hired once you get this certification, or it will increase your chance of getting hired? Maybe. Yes, maybe not. Clear all these things out first. Okay, you're done? You cleared everything? Next step is to know either Scrum.org or Scrum Alliance. Which one should you pick? Honestly, PSM1 from Scrum.org is the best. If I had to pick between 2 Scrum Masters, equal Scrum Masters during the interview, one at PSM1, the other one CSM, I would pick PSM1. Simply because it's harder. It tests your knowledge of the Scrum Guide, the latest version of the Scrum Guide. And that's the problem. It doesn't ensure that you are a good Scrum Master. It just tests your knowledge of the Scrum Guide. The 14 pages of the Scrum Guide. It's a tough exam to pass compared to the CSM. But for project managers watching, if you did the PMP, both the CSM and PSM1 are extremely easy compared to the PMP. In terms of preparation time, in terms of the actual exam also. And based on what I just said, everyone should be doing right now the PSM1. There should be only one option, but there's not. Funny enough, companies love the CSM from Scrum Alliance, Certified Scrum Master. And you see, the Certified Scrum Master forces you to take a class also, so you can get some basic knowledge of Agile, of Scrum. So even though the exam is easier, it forces you to take a class, 2 days, I think 16 hours, and it's more expensive. So these are the pros and cons between the PSM1 and the CSM. But remember, these won't make you a Scrum Master. Even if you do these certifications, it's not guaranteed that you can even interview for the role. Let me give you a simple example. One that I gave one of my coaching clients earlier this week. You are in a daily stand-up, and one of the team members is giving every single day the same update. You pass your CSM or you pass your PSM1. You're a Scrum Master, right? How would you fix this issue? Right now, how would you fix this issue? Same update every single day. Does the Scrum Guide tell you how to fix this issue? Daily stand-up, daily Scrum? Not really. Gives you some guidelines. The Scrum Guide is not really prescriptive. As per the Scrum Guide 2020, the purpose of a daily Scrum is to inspect progress towards the sprint goal and adapt the sprint backlog as necessary, adjusting the upcoming planned work. The developers can select whatever structure and techniques they want as long as their daily Scrum focuses on progress towards the sprint goal and produces an actionable plan for the next day of work. This is what's mentioned in the latest version of the Scrum Guide. The way I see it, it's a daily planning session with all the team members that are doing work in the sprint to achieve the sprint goal. We are constantly planning our day. How can we work together to progress towards our sprint goal? The Scrum Guide doesn't tell you how to solve the issue. Certificates won't tell you how to solve the issue. CMS, the classes, won't tell you how to solve the issue. How would I solve it? Well, there's many ways of solving it. First thing, after the stand-up, talk to that person. Do they really understand what's the purpose of a daily scrum, or maybe they call it the daily stand-up? Are you even following the daily scrum as per the book? Because maybe you're not even following the daily scrum as per the book, and this person is doing perfectly what they are required to do as per the format that the team had agreed on. So all these variables, the context, the environment makes things different. Talk to the person, understand all these things. What you're trying to find out here, if a person is giving the same update every single day, it means that they are not progressing. It gives the impression that they are not progressing. What you're trying to find out here is why are they not progressing? If they are not progressing, maybe they are progressing, but they're working on a big task, a big user stories, and you know next sprint, in the sprint planning, maybe you can guide the team, help the team, support the team in breaking down, splitting their stories better so that you can see progress. So many ways to fix that. But my point here, it's not in the Scrum guide. So honestly, if you want to get certified, especially to get hired as a Scrum Master, Certified Scrum Master, Scrum Alliance, CSM, do that. Because hiring managers are looking for that. But this will not teach you how to be a good Scrum Master. If you want to be a good Scrum Master, watch my videos. 350 plus videos on this YouTube channel. You can watch one a day. Practical videos to help you become a better Scrum Master. If you want to speed up the process, you can join my program from zero to high paid Scrum Master in 30 days. Link in the description of this video, link in the pinned comment of this video. You'll get all you need in order to be a good Scrum Master or Agile coach. And also, as a bonus, right now, if you sign up to a program, you get 2 certifications of the opportunity to get certified twice if you pass the exam. Expert Scrum Master and professional Agile coach by the Agile community. Click on the link down in the description, in the comment section of this video, and I'll see you in a few seconds.